Hello everyone and welcome to another video. And in this video I'm going to talk about circular supply chain, which is a big and lengthy topic, but I try to cover as short as possible and as simple as possible. So let's start. I don't want to go into very deep, but I will give you what is circular supply chain. If you heard of supply chain, what is supply chain? So if you want to know what is supply chain, then just look the left side, which is forward logistic. Supply chain is basically known as forward logistic, which means getting of raw material to the user, and that raw material get converted into finished good, then it will get to the user. That is simply a supply chain. And if you go deep into supply chain, is like selecting supplier, negotiating price, then bringing raw material from supplier or finished good from supplier. Anything can you be bring, then bringing that to your facility or to your company, and from your company you will do packaging or different thing, put the company name, and then you distribute to the user. So that is basically a supply chain. But when we talk about circular supply chain, then it's become a little bit tricky, and it's also very simple. We're saying circular, so simply mean a supply chain that is running in a circle. So if you here you can see circular supply chain include reverse logistic as well. So it will make a circle starting from here, then it goes back here and it start from there back again. So in circular supply chain we have reverse logistic as well, where the main focus is to reuse or repair or remanufacture, recycle the goods that has been used by user, or that is purchased by user or have some problem, and that we gonna take back to the company or take back to the factory with the help of reverse logistic. And both forward logistic and reverse logistic together, when they used, that is known as circular supply chain. So I will give you an example. For example, Apple wants Apple the company, not I'm talking about the apple as a fruit. Apple company wants to get goods from China, so China to US. So first they're gonna select the supplier, and from the supplier they select the raw material. Then the part fabrication is like assembling. So you can say fabrication means basically you selecting the part that gonna fit together. Like in making a mobile phone, you need a screen, you need different things. That is part fabrication. Then module assembling like uh, the sub part, not the complete product. And then it's part assembly is where you make collecting or all the module assemble part together to make a complete mobile phone. That is happening in all from this. Just you just imagine they bring the raw material from China and all this stuff happening in US. They distribute and the good went to user. That is simple as supply chain. But when the user bought the phone or laptop or anything from Apple store, and that user had a problem, I will give you first example here. The user have a problem in the mobile phone within a 1 month, and that is under warranty. So what happened? As we already know, if it is warranty, the company take it back and keep provide you another phone. So just imagine what gonna happen to that product. So basically, before long time back, the company usually do dump that or put in the garbage like by crushing it. But now as we going toward climate change, company going towards sustainable business model, and in sustainable business model they using reverse logistic. So in reverse logistic, the user, the the mobile phone user or laptop user, he going to return that to the store, and from that store you can say it's having different level. So first part is return. So basically it's returned back to distributor for reuse. If it's possible to reuse, then it will come back to distributor. If it's not, then it will go to repair, so basically to the factory or remanufacture if its repair is also not possible for that product. And if remanufacture is also not possible to that product, then it go to recycle. In recycle, company basically try as much as part of their mobile phone they can utilize to make another product. So basically reducing the waste, that is reverse logistic. So I hope you basically understand what is look like the circular supply chain. I will give you again the idea in, including forward logistic and reverse logistic known as circular supply chain. And so simple supply chain is forward logistic, getting raw material, making it to finished good and distributing it to user is simple supply chain. And when we use reverse logistic with simple supply chain, then it makes circular supply chain. And the purpose of using circular supply chain is to reduce waste and utilize good as much as possible and conduct business on a sustainable business model. So that's all. I hope if you had any doubt, please let me know. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you.